Alright, let's go ahead and jump into chapter 10 where we are going to start multiplying and dividing by fractions. So up here it says you can use bar diagrams to find parts of a number. So we're going to take, for example, 16. So we're going to find 1/4 of 16 is the same thing as saying 16 divided by 4. So we're taking 16 and splitting it into 4 equal parts to find 1/4 of it. So in their example, Layla threw 16 pitches in the first inning of a softball game. Of the pitches she threw, 3/4 of them were strikes. How many strikes did she throw in the first inning? It says find 3/4 of 16. So again, they used a bar diagram. They split 16 up into 4 equal parts, and when we divide, get rid of that. When we divide 16 into 4 equal parts, we're going to take 16 divided by 4 and get 4. So each fourth is representing 4 pitches. So since the denominator is 4, the bar diagram was divided into 4 equal sections. So we took 16 and divided it into 4 equal parts, and each section represented 4 pitches because 16 divided by 4 is going to be 4. It says use the diagram to determine 3/4 of 16. So 1/4 of 16 is 4 pitches, but we want to know how much 3/4 of 16 is. So if we add 4, 8, 12 is going to be 3/4 of 16. So 3/4 of 16 is 12, meaning she threw 12 strikes. So she threw 12 strikes, and if we went further, she threw 4 pitches that were either foul balls or what's the word for it? Balls. Okay, moving on to the next example. Okay, so our first lesson, a lot of it is going to be just division. So find 1/3 of 15 using a bar diagram. So our bar diagram is going to represent 15. We want to divide it into 3 equal parts. And 15 in 3 equal parts, or 15 divided by 3, is going to be 5. So each third is going to be 5. We're going to split it into 3 equal parts. Each of them is worth 5. So since the denominator is 3, the bar diagram was divided into 3 sections. Each section of the bar represents 5. So it says use the diagram to determine 1/3 of 15 is the same thing as saying 15 divided by 3. So we want 1/3 of it. So we just want this section here. It's going to be 5. Okay, so 1/3 of 15 is 5. We just divided it by 3. Okay, I'm going to move on to the next page. Let's try number 6 so we can practice drawing it. So 9 times 1/3. Again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw 9. And we want to split it into 3 equal parts because our denominator is 3. We want to find 1/3 of 9, or 1/3 times 9. So I'm going to split it into 3 equal sections. And if I take 9 divided by 3, because my denominator is 3, I want 3 equal parts, I get 3. So 3, 6, 9, and I just want one section, which is going to be 3. So I want 1/3 of 9 is 3, or 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, try one more. 24 times 3/4. So again, I'm going to draw out 24. And I want to split it into 4 parts because I want fourths. So I'm going to split it into 4 equal parts. So half and then half again. So I have 4 equal parts. And if I take 24 and break it into 4 equal parts, or 24 divided by 4, I get 6. 12, 18, 24. So each fourth is going to be worth 6 because 24 divided by 4 is 6. And they want to know how much 3 of those fourths are. So 3 of those together is going to be 6, 12, 18, for a final answer of 18. team. Good luck. Oops, that's not what I want. Come on, Mr. Allen. Stop. Nope. Get rid of that. And I can stop the video. Good luck, good luck.